Hello, my name's Taz, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to find your missing RAM, or to fix your limitation for RAM on a 64-bit operating system. Now, I had this problem myself. You do get this error. It seems to be on 64-bit operating systems, i.e. Windows Vista and Windows 7, 64-bit obviously. I've not seen this problem on Windows Vista or 7 32-bit because, well, you can only get so much on 32-bit anyway. Now, I have 8GB of RAM. When I first installed Windows 7, I got basically a message saying 8GB of RAM installed, 3.19 available. So here's a fix for that. Now it comes to mind that this is an actual problem with your BIOS. The BIOS that was preset in your motherboard basically is out of date and doesn't understand the point of more RAM being recognized in Windows Vista or Windows 7. So here we go. This is how we're going to fix it. We're going to open up an internet page, and all you'll need to do is Google your motherboard BIOS. So my motherboard is a P43DE, so I'm just going to Google P43DE and then BIOS, and as it says, it already knows what mine is, an ASRock, but let's just P43DE BIOS. You can see up here you've got several links to different websites. Don't use any of these websites, they may not be safe. Please do look for your manufacturer for your motherboard, as down here, ASRock.com. So I know this is an official download, and I know it's meant to be. So here we are. We're on the P43DE, Windows 7, Windows 7 64-bit, Vista 64-bit. Well, I'm on Windows 7, so let's just do this. Now I don't want to download any of this. I've already got all that, and I've already fixed this problem, but I'm going to show you how anyway. Now you see mine, when I checked my motherboard when I got it was on 1.20, and as you can see it's been 1.30, 1.40, 1.60, which is somewhat a big jump, but you know, that's just the way things are. So update BIOS under. Now this is two ways of updating the BIOS. Now my solution would be Windows. So this is the one I'm going to pick. I'm going to download from Europe. Now I'm just going to save this file. I'll just click save here. Now I can close this page, open the file up, and then run this. I've already done this, so all the files are already there. Right, I'm gonna run this, and obviously it gives you this warning message to close other programs, and then it'll go error loading driver. If you do get this error, this is because you are using Windows 7 and you are not running it as administrator. So simply click OK, right click, and run as administrator. Now I'm not going to do this because my BIOS is already updated. What will then happen is that you will be taken out to the next part. It will show you updating the BIOS, and once the BIOS is updated it will ask you to restart the computer. On continuing this, it will then turn off your computer, give it a couple of seconds, and it will automatically turn itself back on. Now when I first saw this I thought it's crashed, but it didn't, so that's a good thing. When it starts up, it may pop up with a message saying that it could not load the computer, and give you two options: to click one button to go to start menu, or click another button to load default BIOS and continue. I would recommend that you load default BIOS. The reason it asks you this is because there is no set BIOS, because you've just updated. So just click whatever button it says to update your BIOS to default and continue. This will then obviously put your BIOS to default, load your Windows up as normal, and you're done. You'll find when you go up into your start and go into your system information, they'll then just say 8GB and not 8GB 3.19 usable. So that will then be fixed. When you restart your computer after this, you will find that your well, I find that my startup screen changes. Before it was a little man, and now it's just like a big field, you could say, filled with hills in and stuff like that now. So it may change as it's an updated BIOS. They've updated their pictures, and you will also now get one added option. When starting up the machine, you will get instant flash. This may not vary to all motherboards, but most motherboards do now have this feature. So do look to have a look at that. It's not really important, but it could help you in some incidents. So yes, I hope this video has helped you. Once again, I'm Taz. I hope you like my tutorial and it helps you fix your problem. Please do email me at YouTube at frogcore.com if you do have any questions or you'd like a tutorial or a review made. My next review I'm going to be doing will be either the new Modern Warfare 2 or the HAF 932, which is a gaming case. When I update my computer, I'm getting all new DDR3 system, absolutely maxing out my system. So I hope you come back and have a look at that sometime, and see you again. Thanks very much for watching my video, and have a good day.